We're at Clubmates Farm.
Wave.
Yeah, we're just about to go and have a tractor ride at the farm here. Yeah, should be fun.
Oh, yeah. Smelly, smelly. There they are. Not very long. This is really a lot of fruit, of course. Yeah, it does look a little bit funny because they're not eating. Okay, they're not eating.
Here's some of the little baby calves, and they put them in a pen and let them grow up a little bit.
Anyone who'd like to go in and meet the calves, I'll just get you to pop these little booties on.
These little calves here are just newborn, less than a week old.
Yeah, so these ones here are baby.
Here we are at the National Vietnam Veterans Museum. It's a really, really good museum with lots of army and aircraft things. There's a Jeep here. There's Stephen and Michael over there in front of the tanks. And lovely big gun and parachute. Hope it doesn't come down. And lots of other things. Some really good models here. Yep, here we are on Monday morning. We've just gone for a little bit of a walk out the back of our accommodation. There's a beautiful walking path here. Yeah, we've all had fun, lovely, enjoyed our walk, ladies. Yeah. Enjoyed your walk? Yeah. And there's Frank up there. Yep, and here's the view we've been looking at. There's our lovely bus driver, Glenn.
Beautiful view.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's beautiful thing out here.
Just a lovely, lovely morning. Yep, so here we are trying to find our way out of this maze. Which way are we going, Michael? We're following you, okay? Yep, here we are on Monday morning. We've just gone for a little bit of a walk out the back of our accommodation. There's a beautiful walking path here. Yeah, we've all had fun, lovely, enjoyed our walk, ladies. Yeah. Enjoyed your walk? Yeah. And there's Frank up there. Yep, and here's the view we've been looking at. There's our lovely bus driver, Glenn.
Beautiful view.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's beautiful thing out here.
Just a lovely, lovely morning. Here we are, we're just waiting for our boat to arrive so we can go on our wonderful seal viewing trip. It was delayed to today because yesterday was going to be rough, so hopefully it's not too rough today. I hope not. So we're just going around here. There's Demi. Say hi, Demi. And there's the pier out there.
3,000 to 4,000 born out here. And by the time they're 12 months old, they'll be fully independent. They'll be off mum's hands. And they'll feed off milk though until about 9 or 10 months. And they'll start feeding off the fish they catch. And if they get to 12 months, they still have to feed off mum's milk, and then put off the children, another pup coming and children and feed one. So always the first to be protected, and it's probably why he's the largest today.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, penguin.
TV screen.
Actually, what is the time? What time are the penguins coming out?
Yep, here we are at the penguins tonight. We're now allowed to video it. There are groups of penguins. At the moment they're seagulls, but there are groups of penguins around. Just starting to form groups. Yeah, there's Frank looking, and Glenn. They are coming in, they're just gathering right at the water's edge there. Right there, off in the distance. Here they come. Come on, little penguins. There you are, they're starting to walk up the beach now.
Probably don't announce it because otherwise it'll scare them.
The white ones are seagulls, and there's a little group of penguins walking up towards us on the beach. They're just at that black blob at the moment. Here they come.